Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Looks like we're going to have another beautiful day trading. Um, I want to point out this Sohu. I think there was a few people asking me about it yesterday and possibly the day before, if I remember right. Uh, I still was holding Sohu. We sold Hu as you know on. I think we traded Sohu on this big day. Got out of it and then bought it back in this area here. Been holding it. Now it looks like today it's popping up over the 50-day simple moving average, creating this little J hook here, coming from a bull kicker. Coming from a bull kicker. Terrific little chart pattern. Um, those that are holding it, nice job. Uh, should be making some dough this morning. So we'll see how this works out. Real quick, the SPY yesterday. SPY closed with an inside day. Bulls are still in control. Price action is still holding above the T line. That 141 area, I think, is still a very, very important area. Are we building a top? Or are we building a base? I guess we'll find out. Market may be waiting on some news. Who knows? Who knows what it's waiting for us to make a decision whether to pop or drop, or just keep on moving sideways. Best thing to do is probably just trade the charts as you see them, and not try to guess what's coming down the road. These candlestick signals, they give me lots of caution. No question the bulls are in charge, but I don't like this shooting star over here that we can't seem to get around it. I don't like that we were up and we closed back down, and I don't like yesterday we couldn't get above that 141 area, which means probably waiting for something. What, I don't know, but waiting for something. All right, let's take a look at some stock picks. Maybe the big winner is in here. Who knows? FFIV, rounded bottom breakout. We've got a nice little double bottom in this area. We've, I guess if we start here with this this gap down bearish candle, we had a gap up doji and then another gap up with follow through, moving up, and then we have a pullback to retest what was our resistance area is now our support area. Yesterday we closed with a bullish Hiromi. We want to be trading this on strength. Obviously the 104 area is the first area that we need to clear, and then from there I think we'll look for the 200-day moving average as our directional target. IVAN, another rounded bottom breakout. Started with this bullish engulf right here. Nice little bullish engulf. Went nowhere the day after, but we all know that when we have a candlestick signal, it does not mean that we must produce fruit the very next day. Little consolidation day, and then here's our continuation. We're now up over the big three, the 20, the 34, and the 50. What we want to look for now is target areas. About this 80 cents would be a target area, and then the 200-day moving average would be a target area. ITMN's coming off the bottom. We have a pinball setup. We've got this down move here, and then we've got this series of dojis right in here, suggesting the indecision or the lack of interest of continuing to move down. And then we have some bulls stepping in right here. We have a close over the T line yesterday, so that makes this a pinball setup tomorrow, which is today, over the T line area. We always use the 34 EMA as the first target for the pinball setup. This is where we want to protect half of our trade by taking it off, and then allow the second half to continue to move up, providing we don't put a sell signal in at this area. FST. FST, we're kind of let me clean some of this up. There we go. FST, we're coming off this double bottom. We've rallied up over the big three. We've pulled back to retest this area. We closed yesterday with a little doji spinning top. I see we're opening up about that 719 area. What we want to do is look for strength. We're looking for a J-hook pattern right here. And this may be the PBO area. PBO is pullback opportunity, where you simply a rally, a pullback. You're trying to buy in the bottom of that J-hook, and then you're looking for it to move up to make a J-hook that brings in all the other J-hook buyers or the breakout buyers that could drive this up. And that was FST. CCJ. CCJ, good support right in here. If there was a way we could erase that little candle right there, I think we would have a nice little double bottom here, but I guess we can't really erase it. It is there. Still, I want to look at the plan of the chart, and we've rallied up. Now we've pulled back. The chart's found some support right in this area. We put in a bullish Hiromi with good follow through yesterday. I want to look at this on a breakout of yesterday's high, and that would take us out over the 20 simple, the 50 simple, and the 34. The 200's right in there. So on strength, I would take a look at this, and then we'll try to reach up and grab these swing highs, are close to the swing highs, very close. No sense in being greedy, and if the price is moving up, there's no sense in stretching it out all the way to this top here. And if you do that, make sure you raise your stop up, so if it starts to pull back, you collect that money in there. Arco, we looked at Arco yesterday a couple of times, and we also looked at Arco the day before. Possible J-hook working right here. We have a PBO opportunity now. We have a low Morningstar signal. We have a high, higher low, higher high, and now we're pulling back, making a higher low. We are now above the resistant big three, 20, the 34, and the 50. Now it becomes support. We have a doji with a little engulf candle there yesterday. So we want to trade this on strength, looking for this recent swing high as a top, and then possibly up to the 200-day simple moving average. Let's see, did we do INVN? I don't think we did. Yeah, INVN. Nice J-hook breakout here. Coming from a bull kicker. Double bottom, bull kicker. Rallied up and back, PBO. Rallied up and back, PBO. And now we're rallying up again, taking out that 200-day moving average and clearing this recent swing high. I would continue to stay long. There may be some people already long this. I'd continue to stay long on this, and just keep raising your stop up, and certainly look to be a buyer on strength over today's high, or an inside day using that 200-day moving average as a stop. BPZ. BPZ, I think, is setting up for that rounded bottom breakout scenario. $2.60. That's what we have to clear. This is what I would look to be a buyer. If you're an aggressive buyer, we may look at something right in this area, but I would be very strict about a stop around that 34 EMA area right in there. Very, very strict about that. Because of the way these two candles laid up here, I still like the chart, still has some good possibilities, but I think it's the possibilities are really good over 260. But like I say, aggressive traders may look at it in here. ALXA. ALXA is another little J-hook type pattern. We've got building a flag right here. Big day 3 days ago. Consolidation day before yesterday. 2 days ago. Consolidation yesterday. And we're holding up above the 50, the 34, the 20, the T-line. What we're doing is shopping for that buy signal. Maybe today is that buy signal. I see it's gapping up 405, so it's gapping up a nickel from where it closed. That may be what kicks it off and starts running it up to new highs. But anything in this area, I would look to be a buyer, and certainly on a breakout. We're looking for this first swing high over here about $5, and then something up near the 650, 750 area. MXWL. MXWL was on our watch list a few days ago. We had a little consolidation. I still think it's acting good, so it's back on the watch list. I see this morning it's pulled back to about 785. That's still above the T line, so it's right in this area inside day. We're still looking for that breakout. It's still holding a T line run, so I think it's still bullish with just some slight consolidation in it. GMCR. GMCR, I think most people that are in this are probably making a little bit of money. This was on the watch list back here. We put this on the watch list back here based on this bull kicker breakout. In fact, this was one of our featured charts where we want to be a buyer. A stop was mentioned in that, and it's doing just what charts do. Charts move up, charts move down, charts move up, charts move down. As long as those downs continue to make higher highs and those ups continue to make higher highs, then that's the sign of a very healthy chart. And that's just what this is doing. Right from this level right here, we have a high, a low, high, a low. Now we're looking for that next high. SMG. SMG was a trade that I think a few people were in here. You may have gotten out. Well, now it may be starting to move back up, so we're going to start looking to get back in it. I'm already long this, and to me it looks like it's working out very nice. Looks like we still get to the, or still looks like we're looking at the 200 as our directional target. Long as it stays above the T line without a sell signal, I would continue to trade it. Even if it puts in a sell signal, I would probably stay with it. Give it that one more day, looking for that confirmation. And let's see, the last one is our featured stock pick today, TSYS. TSYS looks like we're trading up near the highs of today right now, the highs of yesterday right now. TSYS, we're coming from this bullish engulf, big three breakout, rounded bottom breakout. We had a pullback, we rallied up, we rallied back, high low game here. Bullish engulf yesterday. I would be a trader, I would be a buyer inside day if possible, certainly on a breakout. A clear of this high right in here I think sets us up for, what is that, about 175, 174. And then from there we'll look at that 200-day moving average as a directional target there. Okay, let's see. Our Sohu is still holding up well. Sohu's going to be a gap. We'll see how that ends up today. I'm going to do my very best to protect the profits on it, so I'm not going to allow those to slip away. Alrighty, I want to wish everybody a good trading day. Be back in the room in about 5 minutes and we'll get this market opened up. Thanks a bunch.